memories beyond the azure blue. A God comes to from human son.
That's what we can agree. Yet the Radia Sika said, "Ten names so Raman and what you are poor other tree, not a neck, now you baby kind of Nema Ahotifo, Yera, your Yarano, Yena Hopaya, Yeti, and Hoponsel. As someone among Quanti, they should cry a war bra, the more deep saying. Kai say, Nice Dinara, Adia Yesiano, Yena Yohani Omaritin Kumo, Imumia say Icano, and a Yesian. As an a baby, you better check it and nine Akapo. You say, a loving God and the corona pandemic. This is part 3. A loving God and the corona pandemic. When you come on, I don't know who was a man or done a man, the head day, and on my corona pandemic. Yari baby, more Yari for Yari Academy, Yari Kumlipa, a day, and on the real running man, I must have no winner, easy. And I say, one more crime. Yes, you say. Etu le bia onipa ohawo atete amane yare atorechem ya eba nipa so no etu le bia na efiro nipa no ara na ndi yoy aye bone entra etu le bia na eyobonsam ena peso hadipa otwe adwene fi nyankopon so oma ye gide wona nu twa nti no oma yare eba ye so anasa atorechem aye wo mu etu le bi so a na yo bi yo wona nyankopon nkasa nkasa ena one mark Sanyo Manaba, now they are saying, Ye shall see no, ya share pioneer and make fat will so, and he said again, ya come a brave, ye Kalubia, a Mayanaka 1, 2, and 1 D, or Casa 2 and 1, or yet more, or yet to follow, and I had here, Ubebrewara, I shall see, and you share a little pine. Ubebrewara, I shall see, and the I'm sure about Russia President Putin. Yeah, or G gazing two a media journal. Sabre here, while my amending the my constitution. Am I constitution for one some dinner and one some so say our rear and number one issue and your Bemani or bar. Eti Yaka Dinara won't kill E2. Ishira, any year and I do my boy number one. Yen say, Quay of us when you're young and now today, 1 year TT. And what you know, yes, you say to the beer that you're going to or press on my member or Brian Sue did you. Yes, shall not write your Marcos, your panel, I'll be a Juno, a TIN 9 Abra or Tipu, so, oh, Kubu, now so chilly, a buyer can't won't share, no, sure, yet, now so crack, sorry, you know, or sorry, you know, or Casai, or say, I saw telling Teddy and a Teddy. Christ only spoke. Vraiment flow élevé they can handle choquer car nous on thank you peace be still was what he said and the storm calmed. There was no longer wind disturbing them and the water was being filled with water. All came back to normal and they traveled safely. But mind you, when they got to the city of Gadarenes or Gennesaret as it is called sometimes, there was this evil possessed man. Remember, he had tormented many people. And so that city had become a city that is one way or the other an outer city. Or a city that is silent. A city that nobody enters or people don't leave. Because where you pass, the entrance is where this demon possessed man was. The devil tried them on the sea. Christ calmed the storm. When they got to the destination, for him to save the city, there was this man tormenting the city. And still, this evil spirit possessed man, when he saw Christ, he bowed to Jesus Christ. It tells you God has all power and God has overcome. You never go and you want some to be your how bad here. Now, so you remember the Sasso or money who is one or some ye a good journey a cote. Or my year, now only for Budino. I think they are only par or some who must have man or Mumbo can say go for a common Christ view who kind to us chapter 5 wrong. Papa no no ko ka and wadia in the Yaman extra one sign. So that city became a city for Christ based on the evil possessed man who had been healed by Jesus Christ. The Christo Chadeke, then a Jim for your me, legit monity. They are coming only you and my family. The Muhammad be attacking. The people change because of what this man had done. Remember, we said 3 things. Yakasa for Namia or Nam is a torrentium or how Amania Teteso shed a deal young. Ama sign who made you. Obon someone or 2 minutes I my body pastor. The Atosan Yasaya, Yana your warning. A man of Nebufu, a buyer so, but your quantity. Can say, and Nika can't say, Nini and send me around. You don't go also to me. Yawakasa enter Dinia, a tidy or a 4. Marco, Johannes and Valentin, you move a couple and some, and I have Shabbat Fabri as the theme passive, as the theme passive. My main kind of you, and Sana, Yabanea, a year upon someone. And I say, Yabonia, I'm a crying, a massa at Torrentium, and I say, and you're one, no matter a by a bravo. John chapter 9, the first 3 verses for now. We'll read the 4th one later on. Now, as Jesus passed by, he saw a man who was blind from birth. And his disciples asked him, saying, Rabbi, who sinned, this man or his parents, that he was born blind? Jesus answered, neither this man nor his parents sinned, but that the works of God should be revealed in him. Hallelujah. Let me add the 4th. We'll discuss that one later. That will be the last in the series. I must work the works of him who sent me while it is day. The night is coming when no one can work. Let me take the 4th one again. I must work the works of him who sent me while it is day. The night is coming when no one can work. As a result, the year the Osuma Meno Neduma Abra Adichie away. Na anajo anase esum ereba obiara entumi nye onyadeduma. You are the man that said and then the year so no eye miensa wa ese your money etunima or how by us. Your money no main campo share environment. Remember, you can't say now. Anything that is unlawful is sin. It is unlawful say we what it is unlawful say we fought one of you fear and go got him. And never papa say Unyame Bakadam so dear. Any amotie cleanliness is next to godliness. I can have a song any amotie and enam. Now so be our so a Christo, you know, on our wanting a two crata with the mutray, a two robot in the mutray, or take up away in our twat woman. And if an airtime, the giddy said, Yari Abbey, I'm always shaming. Adiaba Kwan, Yankasa, ye knew my end ye to be your how by your son. Answer the record Namian, Yankasa environment. There will be here, besides pandemic, we also have one that we call epidemic. There is pandemic and there is epidemic. All these things are medically related. Yakasa be an epidemic. Yarabia, Abba, Atia, Tese, na empebebre no efiri nipa wo hu abunidie awenni entra, because we dirty our environment, because we pollute and contaminate our water. Typhoid sometimes becomes an epidemic. And so what you say? Typhoid here react they say our community be bebre. You tell here cholera na area atia they say ewo potem bi mu ana omani mu bebre. So we mu a me kai say Ghana 1999 there were 9,000 cases of cholera. 9,000 cases of cholera. Cholera area say yendi yahunia ena deba. Yempote mayari si gota yamane si contaminate yensu eni emiane. etimi di cholera eba na 1999 no cholera ba Ghana nipa 9,000 ena enye bi woni nipa no wuye 250 ena wuye out of cholera 1999 so wo hwe figesi na wo de corona virus pandemic ya yomi na wo hwe Ghana nko a ena be ka wo de tu ewu a yemu ba bia ye mo mpa se yemu ho dem mo ye tiro se ahunini aya nyentino ya ka se ya de nyoma na odin che se abaye so man is able to invent or bring calamity unto himself or herself based on her actions or his actions. When you enter me, we know what can I buy. What can be by Nick Hamel, Baba? Oh, ya Hilamli. I know a bow, Bawono, your wahi. Ni Tafrate, Fale Fibo, Air. Apart from 1999, Bekal said the year 2010, early 2011, from September to April, September 2010 to April 2011, there were 8,000 cases of cholera. Once again, 8,000 within a span of like 7 to 8 months. And also nipa 89 in a year. When you are there, nipa yankasa yediampa yehoso. Or therefore, entino say ye me year. Yankasa yet meet na setna kwa e ma no ko yi mai. Na nyame som firi ho a de aka ye ahonidie. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Nyame nchade no esan corona pandemic intino bebre no asue hu say oh say na ye nkwinti obedwom keke obemunti a say your mama keke obedwom obeya esan say wo ya eno ma fi eno ma ya re e wo mu pie ebi fan to so ma ahomu na guni paso edam framem ayanketinti wo hu eti suade fi we mu na mpo corona pandemic itwe kwa still men na ntie mo wa keke si moni si wa no hukumunsa abunini a yesu asabri mananka wo na to aso yanko bone ho Roman form mano eti edikan eyimu a eye dum watwe se yenyadaje kan ni nyina difri dum watwe no akopum ewie no a akebenya disha bebre nanso ebrenti yebetutum kakra ameka brofo no amachire I say for the wrath of God is revealed from heaven against all ungodliness and unrighteousness of men who suppress the truth in righteousness, because what may be known of God is manifest in them, for God has shown it to them. For since the creation of the world, his invisible attributes are clearly seen, being understood by the things that are made, even his eternal power and Godhead, so that they are without excuse. Therefore, he used the wrath of God. And mind you, there is a vast difference between anger and wrath. Anytime a Bible report when you go a buffy so no now or the say a more day or the atemua a more day and an everybody person. You're making can we no you're the why do you see this is say your money and para it mean in your money I am a buffo I be a torrential I be your war I be a real more day it mean the bias. Now, ye be and then ye never saw next week. My main car will say, a simple baby. No, I pencil, the part of one Dawson, that a yamming and you move here, but it says, how many years in Ara. Israel for an arm, and baby was share on the book before a son, one name, one common prim, when near El Sodi and Ayama won, and in Ara Muno, with a book before. Or the your body if you saw any same. And the other 2 years, Yara Casa, your bonnet, and I call Freddie Abba. Dwene ho na bo mpa yeso Nyankopon. Nyame ya abomoa, the best time of walking, they have a soso. Yehowa Nyankopon enhyira o Christ. Amen.